Bravo 595.
We got a situation here.
Chief.
You wish to surrender?
Keep your finger on the trigger, okay?
Do you wish to surrender?
Apparent terrorist attack. 2 planes have crashed into the World Trade Center.
We'll be in this fight, boys. You mark my words.
The 12 of you will be the first to fight back.
There's no playbook here. We're gonna have to write it ourselves. We can't tell our enemies from our allies. Every step we take is on a minefield from 100 wars. Anyone who tells you they've done this before is lying, sir.
It's a hell of a thing we do, isn't it? How do you love your family and leave them to go to war?
Once we land, we're teaming up with a warlord that we know nothing about.
$50,000 Al-Qaeda fighters. And you're just an army of 12. Why? These men follow you. Who did you kill?
You want to see me kill? You take me to the Taliban, I'll show you.
I have horses for you.
Who's ridden before?
Summer camp when I was 9.
Spring break, but I was pretty hammered.
This will be fun. Ain't losing one man on this team. The only way home is winning.